Unraveling Idioms. No axe to grind. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, no axe to grind. This idiom has a rich history and a unique meaning that might not be immediately obvious from the words themselves. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring the quirks of idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's uncover the significance behind no axe to grind and how you can use it in everyday conversations. At its core, the phrase, no axe to grind, signifies a lack of hidden motives or personal interests in a given situation. When someone says they have no axe to grind, they're indicating that they're impartial or have no personal stake in the outcome of a situation. It's a way to express neutrality or disinterest in the potential gains or losses that might come from a situation. The phrase, no axe to grind, has an interesting origin story. It's often attributed to a tale involving Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States. According to the story, Franklin was approached by a man carrying an axe, asking for the blade to be sharpened. The man tried to persuade Franklin by saying it would be a public service. Franklin realized that the man had a personal motive, to get his axe sharpened for free. This tale is used to illustrate the idea of having a personal agenda or, in this case, an axe to grind. Understanding when and how to use no axe to grind can be very useful in English conversation. You might use it in discussions or debates to declare your neutrality or lack of bias. For example, you could say, I have no axe to grind in this debate. I'm just looking for the best solution for everyone. It's a great phrase to signify that you're approaching a situation with openness and without ulterior motives. We hope this exploration of no axe to grind has been enlightening and adds a useful expression to your English language toolkit. Remember, idioms like this one can add color and depth to your conversations, showing not just a mastery of the language but an understanding of the cultural nuances that come with it. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the rich landscape of the English language.